Spectrum Xumo offers a seamless way to change channels using both voice commands and button shortcuts. This free, ad-supported streaming platform, a service by Charter Communications, provides access to over 250 live TV channels and thousands of on-demand titles. Let's quickly cover how to switch channels. You can use voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant by saying phrases like, "Alexa, open Xumo and go to channel 101," or "Hey Google, switch to ESPN on Xumo." Button shortcuts involve using the directional arrows on your remote or on-screen buttons on mobile apps to scroll through channels. Pressing the Guide button pulls up a channel grid for direct selection. Both methods prioritize ease of use, ensuring you can quickly find what you want to watch. Now let's delve into the specifics of each method. Voice commands require linking your Spectrum account to your voice assistant app, such as Alexa or Google Assistant. Common commands include change channel to number or name, or next previous channel. This method is ideal for multitasking, but requires a stable internet connection. Button shortcuts, on the other hand, are more tactile and reliable. Use the directional arrows on your remote or the guide button to navigate channels. On mobile apps, you can tap the channel number input or use swipe gestures. This method doesn't rely on the internet, making it a dependable option. Xumo's interface supports 4K resolution for channel previews, enhancing visual feedback with both navigation types. As of September 2025, Xumo reports high uptime for channel changing, with occasional bugs on older devices. Choosing between voice and buttons depends on your preference and the device you're using.